Guys, so today's video is going to be a quick little review about Amazing Beauty hair extensions. I have never even heard of this company. They did reach out to me, and as you can see, I am wearing the extensions in my hair right now. And I'm just being real with you guys. Like, I don't have all these brands reaching out to me and stuff, but there has been a couple of brands that I'm not interested in, or just I don't use that product. I have really random new companies that reach out to me, so I don't reach out back. But I was interested in hair extensions, and like I said, I've been wanting them, so I'm like, yeah, of course, I'll try them out, and I'm honest with you guys. Quick little note, I used to wear hair extensions when my hair was damaged. So when I went super blonde, this was many years ago, but I've had my fair share of extensions. Bellamy's, I have tried Luxie's, I've tried a few other ones, but those are the popular ones. I don't wear hair extensions anymore because my hair has been really great, especially this past year. My real hair is definitely a lot thicker, and it's just good. It's just not to be but my real hair has definitely gotten a lot better. I have this biolage going on, so this hair color, I've had it for a while now, so I kind of wanted just some fun. I've been wanting them for a while, but I wanted some extensions, and I could color my old extensions, but I never do because I always know I always end up back to dark brown. I always end up back to that hair color anyways. So I'm gonna insert a little clip of me unboxing it so you can kind of see how it was all packaged.
Okay, so they come in this really nice, just easy box. So it just opens up pretty easy. So inside there's just a little, a little note and a little card. What I was really surprised about was that they give you these two little combs. One of them is a wide tooth, and the other one is more kind of like a teasing comb. So I thought that was really nice. Yeah, so you get that. I wasn't expecting that. And then you also get these eyelashes, which I wasn't expecting either, so I was kind of surprised about that too. And then these eyelashes are 100% mink hair, so that's pretty cool. So you get that in there, and then the extensions are packaged up here, and they're really nicely packaged. They're in this little plastic thing, and it's just very nice and small, so I like that a lot too. So let's get them out. So the extensions are kind of tied together right here. Here are all the wefts. So I'm going to go ahead so you can kind of see already what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and give mine a little trim just so that the edges are, yeah, they kind of need to be a little bit trimmed. So I'm going to trim them and then wash them, and then I will try them on.
Okay, so you can kind of see the extensions. I have them in my hair right now. Like I said, I'll start off with these are 100% real human virgin hair. I will have to say, when I first got them, I was worried that they're going to be a little too shiny, because that's been my experience in the past with hair extensions. One of the things that I loved about these is that after I washed them, they weren't super silky and shiny. I used up all the clips except for one of them because I wanted to show you guys. So this is how it looks like. It's kind of a medium dark brown here, which is really close to my natural hair color. And then it gets kind of lighter here, and it looks very natural because you can see some of the highlights start kind of higher up. So it kind of does look like a biolage, and then it gets super light on the bottom. So that's kind of the ombre effect, where it gets super light on the bottom. A little trouble blending. Like I said, my real hair right now is the best it's ever been. So it's very thick, especially on the bottom, because I have a blunt haircut. When I cut my hair, I got it very heavy on the bottom because that's what I wanted. I was going for the lawn bob or whatever they call it. But yeah, that being said though, it was kind of hard to blend my extensions in. I do think I did pretty well, and I don't think it's not the extensions that's the problem, it's my hair. As far as the weight, it was 130 grams. So you get 7, it's a 7-piece set. I will say the clip-ins are very secure, they're very thick. So if you do have fine hair, check out their tape-ins. I don't think the clips will, I think the clips are gonna be too thick for you. So I have, like, my hair's thicker, so it's fine. Like the clip-ins, you don't see them, they hide very well. So for me, it's fine. I don't feel like I'm wearing extensions. That was another thing that I liked. With other extensions in the past, like I felt like they're just like very heavy and you just can feel them in your hair. I don't feel the clips really, barely at all. Sometimes I have to like kind of like adjust it because I'm like, whoa, like, am I even wearing the clip-ins? You know, like, you know, I don't know, it just feels weird. Like, I just don't feel like I'm wearing extensions. So overall, I'm very happy with the extensions. I really like them a lot. I would buy from them again. I'll have their link down below. Another thing that I liked was the shipping was really fast. So I think I got mine within 3 days, which was awesome. And then also an important thing that really like caught my attention was they had a good variety for curly hair. I know it's very hard. I don't have curly hair, so I got the straight ones. But for example, like my best friend Rebecca, she has curly hair, right? And it's just like hard to find good extensions or just that have that curly hair texture. So check out their website. They have tape-ins, they have clip-ins, and then they also have for curly hair too. So that's pretty nice. I do have a discount code. I don't get anything from it. It's just $10 off if you want to buy from them. It's down below in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little review. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.